Yeah.
This is, I think, the best way to repurpose an old doorway is to make it a bookcase, because do we really need 3 doors into a bathroom?
You can nope, I was here first. I'm using it.
It's so stupid.
I beat you to it.
What is this door for? I mean, we could, I suppose, just completely take down the door and fill it in and try our best to match that old wainscoting and that upholstery, but that would kill the budget and this would be way cooler.
Honestly, this is exactly what we did at our house. So it was a doorway
I know, and
to the master.
I don't know if you've noticed, I've completely quit using the bookcases in the living room. I feel like those are full enough.
I love it. All right, you want to help me?
Count me in.
Right there.
I mean, like yesterday, it did not feel ready. Today, it feels, we're like 95% of the way to bringing in the pretty. Look how huge this is.
That pantry.
I know.
I want it at my house.
It's what pantry dreams are made out of.
And the Hogues are really big cookers, so they enjoy it.
There are always little things you can do to make it even more organized, and that's what we're focusing on today.
Absolutely.
So this is not just for bringing in all the junk. I want to put wheels on the bottom of them.
And put them at the bottom.
Yeah.
For like potatoes.
And onions. Yeah, that's immediately what I thought of.
This is great.
Yeah.
I like it. Let's check this thing out.
That's real nice.
Look at that.
You got any potatoes?
Let me just roll it out to you.
Oh, wow.
Get you some potatoes.
Thanks, Mallory.
Put it back up. Look at that.
Like, we just improved their quality of life tenfold with our rolling basket. So I was at Ben's brother's house. In his garage, he has lots of jar lids that are mounted underneath the shelves, and then you twist on the jar. So that's how he keeps all of his nuts and bolts and screws organized. But I thought in the kitchen, you could put rice or cornmeal or... Because he cooks professionally, I feel like he would want his kitchen to be professionally ready for that. I'm really excited about how we've given the Hogues this very traditional and grand Southern home in the front and the most livable, comfortable, spacious house in the back. It's like the best of all worlds and everything that they needed. We're moving in today. Like, I feel like I'm in a magazine.
I know, pretty magical.
Yeah. Did you see my friend that lives on the porch? Do you think he's nice?
He's certainly more interesting. I will say that.
That sounds kind of like an insult.
No, I mean, I think...
He's maybe not as mossy as we had hoped, but, you know, if we would have given him a couple months, I think it could have been a full moss takeover. I'm getting the fuzzies about the first impression. And walking through the front door, it's so grand and it's so inviting. It's really pitch perfect.
Ooh, that looks good.
I'm going through a rug thing. Rugs on the walls and on the floors.
Whoa, oopsie daisies. That's what you call using your head.
Gosh, is this it?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
This is great, but the top is a home run.
The Hogues are some of the friendliest people I've ever met. And every time they have a big family dinner around that table, we'll get to be a part of that in some small way. And how cool is that? We have had so much fun with your house.
Welcome to the Hogue house.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, you like it?
Yes, I love it. Beautiful.
I love that porch. Look at that.
Before, your house looked like it was wearing super gothic makeup. And the balance just was proportionately out of whack because the porch floor was so low compared to how small the second floor seemed. So raising the porch floor, adding the shutters in the center, it made the house feel so much more balanced.
Yeah.
I'm thrilled that you were able to keep the full columns. I love that.
It's created a really cool visual element on the front of the home.
They're beautiful.
It's gorgeous. And that door.
You said you wanted that grand southern home, and that's what this is.
Gorgeous.
Oh my gosh.
Your turn to cry.
And they kept
They kept our fabric.
their fabric.
Yeah, before the wainscoting and trim color wasn't doing it any favors. So we just pulled out this gray sea blue green, and it makes it really shine.
Gorgeous. The bookcase.
I know.
Looks like it's always
Yeah,
been
it looks
there.
so
It's
natural.
always-
That was what we
Yeah.
wanted. We built this little oak table, but we wanted to have the legs replicate your newel post.
Oh,
Yeah.
gorgeous.
That is incredible.
Oh my gosh.
See your new formal living room?
Oh my goodness.
Kept the wood.
Yeah. Look at how there are no vertical seams anywhere.
Yeah, it's all solid runs of beadboard.
That's amazing.
Yeah, you never see that.
And I really like this clock over here.
Yeah,
That was his
that was my
grandma's
grandmother's clock, and we've never had a place for it. And that
Got a
is
place for it
perfect.
now.
Awesome.
You can bring in the beautiful and the pretty, but I think the best things in a house are the things that already have the love of a family attached to them, like that clock right there.
Absolutely.
I think we'll
I
spend a
was
lot
gonna
of
say, I think we'll
time
spend a
in
lot of
here.
time in here.
There's still so much to see.
Yeah, there really is.
All right.
Check out this dining
Yeah.
room.
Look at this table.
Oh my
You
gosh.
like that table?
Oh my gosh.
My brother and I built this table in the shop. And all the pine on the top, these are all leftover flooring pieces from houses that we've done over the years. That
That's
I,
even cooler.
I say that, you know.
That's a lot of Laurel history.
And from the minute we walked into this house, Julie says, I can imagine a big
A
round
round
Really?
table.
That's what I.
Really?
Yeah.
Honest
Oh
to
no,
God.
yeah.
There you go.
What?
It really is perfect in a square dining room with a big family.
Yes.
And we feel like the foyer and your formal living room have so much texture and color and vibrancy. We just wanted it to settle down in here a little bit.
And this is gorgeous.
Come on. You're not ready for this kitchen.
Are you ready?
I'm
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
You like it?
oh.
That's an understatement.
This is my dream kitchen.
Oh, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Is it big enough?
It's the biggest kitchen I've ever seen.
It's
It is incredible.
You know what else
Wow.
is incredible? Look at your awesome pantry.
Oh, wow. That's amazing.